servant tool. So, yun po yung pinakita sa atin ng Lord na magiging servant like Jesus. So, only God can produce it, and He does it through the gospel. So, may we work this in our life, and at least a tidal wave of service in the church and in the world. So, what about isa na tayo mag-release ng Lord talaga yung spirit of yung tidal wave of service to the world. Tidal wave, ibig sabihin malaki yung ating pagnanasa na mag-serve tayo sa ating Panginoon. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. So humility is the result of our complete obedience to God and utter dependence on Him. So, yan po ang resulta ng ating sa complete obedience. Kaya mayroon tayong humility dahil completely nag-obey tayo at nag-depend kay Lord. Those who walk humbly with Him, with the Lord, will be lifted, strengthened, and filled with His faith, His peace, grace, and joy. So, ganun po buti ang Panginoon sa ating mga buhay. Praise the Lord! Salamat po natin ang ating